A good day to all of you. Today, we will be working on the 50-second creation in our lesson series. First, click on the plus mark at the top of the screen and open a new tab. Next, type thunkable.com in the address bar and click the enter button. Now you have entered the Thunkable website. Click the login button at the top corner and log into your Thunkable account. Now again, click on the plus mark at the top corner of the screen, open another tab and visit the dpcode.lk website. Click on lesson number 290. Click the Start Project button here. You have now entered the project. In the previous lesson, we created the first part of the Moon Phase Viewer app. Today, we are going to create the second part of this app. I have now finished creating the first part of the Moon Phase Viewer app that we have designed in the last lesson. If anyone hasn't watched our 51st lesson, check it out using the thunkable.com website now. From here on, we will add parts to the same design and improve it a bit more. Today, we will see how to create the code of the Moon Phase Viewer app. First, I will go to the screen. Let's see what happens in this code. First of all, we need to provide the date on which we want to observe the moon phase in this text input. Next, when we click the Click to see the moon phase button, the moon phase related to the given date will be displayed in this image. I will now click on the Blocks tab. The moon phase needs to be displayed when the button view is clicked. Therefore, I will drag a When Button View click code block under the button view. Next, we need to provide the URL to the web API we have added. We used a web API to provide the option to obtain required data through the web. I will drag the Set Web API Once URL to code block under Web API 1 into this When Button View code block like this. Again, I will connect a Join code block under text like this. We will give the URL to the first part of this Join code block. The URL required for this is in the description of the lesson. You can copy the URL from there and paste it here. Next, connect a round code block under Math to the next part of the Join code block. Let's drag this World code block into the recycle bin and remove it. Next, I will connect a second since 1970 code block in the device category to this round code block like this. Now again, I will drag Call Web API Once Get code block under Web API 1 into the When Button View click code block in this way. The next step is to select the moon phase corresponding to the date entered by the user as the input from the images 1.jpg to 30.jpg that we have added to the files while designing the app and display it in the image moon phase. From here, 1.jpg moon phase is related to the first day. The 2.jpg moon phase is related to the second day. 3.jpg moon is related to the third day. At this point, the user has given the desired date in the text input. Therefore, the image related to the number in the text input should be displayed in the image moon phase. For that, I will drag a Set Image Moon Phases picture to code block in Image Moon Phase here. Now, let's link the Join code block in text here. Drag the Hello code block into the recycle bin and remove it. Instead, let's link the Day Inputs text code block under Day Input here. In the next code block, remove the text and type .jpg here. Okay. Now look at the code we have created. For the moon phase image, the picture name is created by giving .jpg at the end for the number in the day input text box. For the moon phase image, the picture name is created by .jpg at the end for the number in the day input text box. For example, if the day in the text input is 20, the name of the picture will be set as 20.jpg. Accordingly, the relevant picture will be displayed in the image moon phase. Okay, now we have finished creating the Moon Phase Viewer app. You can use this app and check the moon phase for any day of the month. If you manage to do it like this, you little ones are very successful. WhatsApp your design to me on the phone number Note 76 812 5244. Tell your friends about the design as well. Check out this app to send to me as well as to your friends. And one more thing, join the DP Coding School Telegram group and try to be the DP Code Champ Best of the Week once every week. Stay connected with us. Also, another thing, join our DP Coding Club and now you can start a DP Coding Club in your school as well. We are ready to give you all the guidance for that. If you are interested in starting a DP coding club in any school where computer labs are available, please send a request through the principal to the email address info@dpcc.lk. Okay, let's meet again with another interesting lesson through DP Coding School. Have a nice day.